Hello everyone and welcome back to the new video. Today we are diving into the world of home decor, but on a budget. Sprucing up your living space does not have to break the bank. I'm excited to share some simple, affordable, but yet stylish ideas with you. I have used these ideas throughout my own home. So let's get started. Introducing plants into your home is not only a budget-friendly decor option, but also brings a breath of fresh air. Whether it's a small succulent on the windowsill or a large potted plant in the corner, the greenery adds a touch of nature and vitality to any room. But if you are not blessed with a green thumb, faux greenery also adds the charm. Just make sure that you choose as realistic greenery as possible. Updating cushion covers is a quick and economical way to give your space a facelift. Choose affordable, stylish covers that complement the color scheme or introduce pattern to add that pop of visual interest. It's a small change, but honestly, it makes a big impact. But before I move ahead, I need to emphasize that a tidy and a well-organized home automatically looks more put together. Take some time to clean and organize your space. Consider storage solutions for items that tends to accumulate, creating a neat and a clutter-free environment. Layers and repetitions add depth and interest to the decor by incorporating the similar style of decor. By that, I don't mean matchy-matchy. This can be achieved through blankets, throws and rugs, even through your decor. Layering textures and patterns creates a very visually dynamic and inviting space without breaking the bank. I have pulled colors from the main cushion cover, the block printing from another cushion cover, mixed and matched through my artwork and carried it throughout the home. Let me know if you want me to make a separate video on layering and repetitions of patterns and colors. I will be more than happy to make a separate video on this. Mirrors are fantastic decor trick to make any space appear larger, brighter. You don't need to invest in expensive mirror. Go to thrift stores, often have affordable options. Experiment with different shapes, sizes to find a perfect fit for your style. Display your favorite photos or art prints on shelves or creating a gallery wall adds a personal touch to your decor. Look for absolutely a budget-friendly frames and consider repurposing old ones with a fresh coat of paint. Rearranging furniture is a simple yet a very effective home decor hack. Just by changing the layout of the furniture, you can instantly transform the look and feel of the room. Few months back, I did the same. And my space feels absolutely transformed. Consider experimenting with different arrangements and layout with existing pieces of furniture to create more serene and visually appealing atmosphere. One has to focus on reducing visual clutter. Sometimes decluttering your space by removing unnecessary items or organizing or corralling things or belongings by grouping them and making a significant difference. You can use bowls, boxes and tiered trays to hold all these knickknacks that actually clutter the space. You can add baskets, bowls in all the high traffic area where you feel that often the clutter accumulates. If you're enjoying this video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video and joining me on Instagram at simplyamazinglifebykaushiki, where I share daily updates. This channel is all about encouraging every single one to unleash your creative side with do-it-yourself projects, whether it's crafting your own wall art or creating custom decor pieces or repurposing old furnitures or DIY projects. Just add that personal unique touch to your home without exceeding your budget. This is one of my old artwork, and I have taken a simple cheap IKEA frame and framed this, and this adds a little hint of charm on this wall. Well, if you ask any interior stylist, the first and most important thing they will say, do not underestimate the power of lighting in transforming your home. Now, you do not have to do big changes. Small little changes like lamps, candles, some focus lights if you can, they add a charm to your home. Proper lighting can enhance the mood and aesthetic of any room. Consider adding affordable lamps, fairy lights, candles, diyas to create a cozy and an inviting space. Quite recently, I have started drinking this hibiscus tea and I have been enjoying this. I had it once in a cafe, little bit of hibiscus flower and some 1 or 2 stems of star anise. Add some hot water and brew it for few minutes and you have a delicious hibiscus tea ready. I think it is must try, especially for all those who are in the north and eastern side facing really harsh winters this year. I'm sending all the warmth from Mumbai to all my friends out there. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye-bye.